Check this out. Pretty nice. It's like a Coliseum. It's pretty cool. And then it's a nice valley over there. My definition of a valley. Stairs to get down. Very nice though. A little home from civilization. That was fast. Got a sign there. Whoa. Solar flare. The mighty sun. That looks like a tropical rainforest in there. Holy. Let's take a look. Get that solar flare out of here. Oh yeah, I'm surprised I don't see little monkeys swinging. Damn. Let's go. Oh. The path diverges. Should I go there or there? There looks more overgrown. Actually, there also looks overgrown. Should I even go? I have a nice life. I don't have to risk it to get resources. I saw movement. Risking poison ivy. Pretty epic. A squirrel. Another one. Oh. This goes on for a while. What the hell? Yo, rocks.
I'm gonna tickle your tummy.
Perhaps another day. Pretty cool stuff. I wonder if squirrels gather right there where I'm standing, I guess, late at night and have a battle. That'd be pretty cool. Right there, I can just imagine it. So well I can almost see it. Nah, that's crazy.